Hi, so I got this threshold to talk about. So this has grooves right here. So this helps reduce noise. It also helps with traction. So when you're going up, you have less chance of like slipping and sliding. This is very flexible. Threshold, as you can see, I can fold it around. It's very flexible and moldable. It is 100% waterproof. So like for outdoor and it's wet, it's not going to be slip like that. You got the grooves, it helps come up. And with this, you can also cut this to size. So say you have a doorway that is half the size, or you have a threshold that helps you come from one elevation to another. Say for interior of your house, you can use it for like a wheelchair ramp. You can have it for like a robot vacuum that want to go from your living room to another area. This can easily allow it to transfer up onto that other area. So this has 1,500 pounds of load bearing, and you can use this for a lot of applications, outdoor, indoor. You can even use this as a ramp to know when to stop your vehicle in your garage if you would like to use it for that as well. So this is an outdoor use. You can have it for if you have like a higher ledge on your threshold of your front door. You can use this for like wheelchairs to easily access into your house. So very simple to use. If you're looking for a great multi-use threshold, I highly recommend this product. Hi, so this threshold is perfect for like your front door. So if you had kids riding through the front door, you don't have to worry about them hitting the front threshold part and bouncing. Come on, Riggs, go through.